Welcome to my channel, The Craft. This channel is dedicated to showing you designs as well as tips, tricks, and how to make various crafts ranging from hearts, fascinators, hand fan, bouquet, and much more. Join me today as we refashion this beret to this. All you need aside your beret is a flower cord and uhu gun. First, place your beret the way you would wear it. Then take your floral cord and put it across the way you want it to appear. The next thing you do is to take your uhu gum and rub on all the flowers. Yes, especially the edges and the middle, so it sticks perfectly well. My apology on the shadow that is showing there. The sun was out. I was doing this video outside. My apologies, but I'm sure you can see how it's done. Just pay attention to the work. Forget about the shadow, please. All right, let's continue. Okay, then you place it on top, back on the beret where you had initially planned to do it. You press. Yeah, remove the gum remaining on your hands so that you can press again without it getting glued on the beret. So you press, you spread out all the flowers so that they spread out well. Yeah, you keep doing that. Now that sits on the table, out of the head. Now you see, we're combing the dummy's head. Yeah, she looks pretty, doesn't she? Now let's make her look dashing. That's the beret. You wear it like so. Yes, then you fold it like so. Oh, now this beret looks so gorgeous. Now let's see yours and send it to my Facebook group. Yes, if you're joining us for the first time, click the subscribe button and the bell notification. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Yes, thank you for watching.